The power button of my coffee maker is defect, and while I'm road testing Weller's microsolder kit, I'm going to try and replace the button with the chisel tip that comes with the kit. At the beginning I use the traditional solder pump to remove the solder and to remove the button. After that I clean up the pads, re-tin them, and take care that they are ready to take a new switch. That new switch is also coming from some defunct apparatus. So here I'm replacing the switch, and I'll use that same microsolder iron with the chisel tip to resolder. The solder that I'm using is lead free, and I'm running the iron at 380 degrees at this moment. I'm using quite some temperature because the little PCB that you see has gigantic solder pads. Here is the boring part where I try to reposition the PCB and solder the 4 pins. Hey, and the iron did a good job. I know it's a bit undersized for PCBs like this. This is not really micro work, but it did it very well anyways. After a quick check, I put everything back in place and tested the coffee machine, and everything worked fine right away.
Perfect.
Easy fix,
Let's switch it off.
the good coffee as reward.
As new.